bedi mbele kanyo.
Jatotije mar riwruok mar piny owacho mar Global Peace Foundation Daniel Juma okwayo Kenya mondo mi oti kod kinde magin thuolo e pidho yiende kaka achiel kuom yore mag konyo dwaro mar piny Kenya bedo kod yiende maromo bilion 15 ka ochopo higa mar 2030 kaka yore mag jiwo jopiny mondo opidh yiende. Riwruok mar Manu Chandaria Foundation komakore kod Global Peace Foundation ocholo kothe mag yiende ne skunde yawuoyi kod nyiri ma Alliance maromo 20,000 mondo mi gipuonjre rito alwora.
The 21st of September is the International Day of Peace, and the theme of this International Day of Peace is Actions for Peace, our ambitions for global goals. And here we are taking action by planting trees at Alliance Girls High School. We have also launched this tree nursery, worth almost 1 million shillings, courtesy of our patron, Dr. Manu Chandaria. This nursery will produce the seedlings which the students can be able to plant. We have done this in more than 9 institutions.
The reason why the nursery is here is so that these girls can be able to get the values in terms of taking their ownership, because environment is the next big thing. And apart from that is to be able to support the President's objective of planting the 15 billion trees by 2030. So the idea is just to make sure that these girls be able, the students are able to get the values, and especially when we are here on a day which is the International Day of Peace.
These 20,000 seedlings will go a long way in contributing to the forest cover that is expected in this country. And just as the headmistress of this school said, we are going to involve the youth to participate in this activity.